almost starting the fireworks soon. And I just can't wait. One minute, everyone, let me just... Oh yeah, there will be some noise in the background. Let me see how dark it goes. Yeah, that's perfect. I can't wait for the bonfire night to happen. I just can't wait. Can you guys wait? Yes, you can. You can wait. Yeah, guess you're right. Dora, come outside right now. Everyone is waiting for you outside. And your dad's going out now to go set out the fireworks. Oh yeah, they're over here. Everyone, get ready. You all ready? Yeah. Wow. Bang! Fireworks! I love them indeed. Fireworks? What's the point in them? They're just big red things. Color. You want colors anyway. And besides, they make too much noise. Everybody wins. Hello guys, I said there might be a lot of type in the background. But by the way, everyone, this is a cookie. So, Ron, whatever she was trying to say. Oh well, I'll just stand here on my bed watching, because I can't be bothered going outside watching all that. Wow! I've seen all these fireworks that I just... They're beautiful. They're so big and beautiful. Wow! Can you quiet all the fireworks down? Please, I'm better than fireworks outside. I want fireworks. I like them. Could you guys keep it down? Hello? Is Bonfire Night over? Bonfire Night's on for ages. Why's that? What? For ages? All these big fireworks going on in the background of me? maybe. Calm down. Until my next episode.